Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Stock pick update: McDonald SMCD broke above the month-long downward trend line. http ntvforex.com News ID 49B4CC 7/22/2021 25:15 p.m. Header: which stocks could magnify S&P 500's gains in case it rallies? Take a look at a part of our stock pick update. We have included materials, consumer discretionary and technology stocks this time. The broad stock market has extended its uptrend in the last 5 trading days: July 15, July 21. The S&P 500 index broke above its early June local high and it got closer to 3,300 mark. More than 3 months ago, on March 23, the market sold off to new medium-term low of 2,191.86. It was a stunning 35.4% below February 19 record high of 3,393.52. The coronavirus and economic slowdown fears have erased more than a third of the broad stock market value. Right now the index is just 4.01% below the record high. The S&P 500 index has gained 0.97% between July 15 and July 21. In the same period of time, our 5 long and 5 short stock picks have lost 0.21%. Stock picks were relatively weaker than the broad stock market. Our long stock picks have lost 0.28% and short stock picks have resulted in a loss of 0.14%. However, the overall results remain relatively better than the S&P 500 index over last months. If stocks were in a prolonged downtrend, being able to profit anyway would be extremely valuable. Of course, it's not the point of our stock pick updates to forecast where the general stock market is likely to move, but rather to provide you with stocks that are likely to generate profits regardless of what the S&P does. This means that our overall stock picking performance can be summarized on the chart below. The assumptions are starting with $100,000, no leverage used. The data before December 24, 2019 comes from our internal tests, and data after that can be verified by individual stock pick updates posted on our website. Below we include statistics and the details of our 3 recent updates. July 21, 2020 long picks: July 15 open, July 21 close. Percent change: Dow 1.40%, INTC 2.83%, MCD 0.47%, XOM 0.84%, HST 1.54%. Short picks: July 15 open, July 21 close. Percent change: COG 4.57%, VNO 5.52%, AON 2.30%, LIN 1.36%, AAPL 2.01%. Average long result 0.28%, average short result 0.14%. Total profit average 0.21%. July 7, 2020 long picks: July 1 open, July 7 close. Percent change: INTC 2.67%, F 0.33%, PPG 2.17%, DTE 0.35%, AIG 5.93%. Short picks: July 1 open, July 7 close. Percent change: XEL 2.00%, BLK 0.91%, EOG 5.72%, MSFT 2.52%, eBay 8.14%. Average long result 1.29%, average short result 1.57%. Total profit average 1.43%. June 30, 2020 long picks: June 24 open, June 30 close. Percent change: WY 0.36%, CTSH 3.76%, HIG 0.57%, BSX 2.39%, COP 2.28%. Short picks: June 24 open, June 30 close. Percent change: EU 1.51%, WMB 0.00%, ETR 0.27%, CCI 2.04%, ADBE 1.07%. Average long result 0.23%, average short result 0.16%. Total profit average 0.04%. Let us check which stocks could magnify S&P's gains in case it rallies, and which stocks would be likely to decline the most if S&P plunges. Here are our stock picks for the Wednesday, July 22 Tuesday, July 28 period. We will assume the following: the stocks will be bought or sold short on the opening of today's trading session July 22 and sold or bought back on the closing of the next Tuesday's trading session July 28. We will provide stock trading ideas based on our in-depth technical and fundamental analysis, but since the main point of this publication is to provide the top 5 long and top 5 short candidates our opinion, not an investment advice for this week, we will focus solely on the technicals. The latter are simply more useful in case of short-term trades. First, we will take a look at the recent performance by sector. It may show us which sector is likely to perform best in the near future and which sector is likely to lag. Then, we will select our buy and sell stock picks. There are 11 stock market sectors: energy, materials, industrials, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, healthcare, financials, technology, communications services, utilities and real estate. They are further divided into industries, but we will just stick with these main sectors of the stock market. We will analyze them and their relative performance by looking at the select sector SPDR ETFs. Based on the above, we decided to choose our stock picks for the next week. We will choose our top 3 long and top 3 short candidates using trend following approach, and top 2 long and top 2 short candidates using contrarian approach. Trend following approach buys 1x materials, 1x consumer discretionary, 1x technology, sells 1x energy, 1x real estate, 1x financials. Contrarian approach betting against the recent trend buys 1x energy, 1x real estate, sells 1x materials, 1x consumer discretionary. Trend following approach top 3 buy candidates. MLM Martin Marietta Materials. Stock broke above the downward trend line. Potential medium-term uptrend continuation. The resistance level of $230. MCD McDonald's Corp Consumer Discretionary. Stock broke above month-long downward trend line. The resistance level of $200 short-term upside profit target. The support level remains at $180. INTC Intel Corp Technology. Stock remains above medium-term upward trend line. The resistance level and upside profit target level at $65. The support level is at $56.57. Summing up, the above trend following long stock picks are just a part of our whole stock pick update. The materials, consumer discretionary and technology sectors were relatively the strongest in the last 30 days. So that part of our 10 long and short stock picks is meant to outperform in the coming days if the broad stock market acts similarly as it did before. Want free follow-ups to the above article and details not available to 99% investors? Sign up to our free newsletter today. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.